Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove someone from a WhatsApp group. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to open WhatsApp and then you're going to open that specific group from which you wish to remove a person. For example, I have opened this demo group and then you're going to click on the group name at the top. After that, you'll be redirected to an interface of group info. You'll be able to see the group name and all the group information as well as the number of members. So you're going to scroll down. So you'll be able to see a complete list of members of this group. So if you wish to remove a person, what you're going to do is simply click on that person's name and you'll be able to see some information about that person. So right at the bottom, you'll be able to see an option that says remove from group. Click on that. And then it's going to confirm that whether you wish to remove this person from the group or not. Simply click on remove. And now you can see that it was 2 members before, now it's 1 member, and that is me. So that's basically how you can remove someone from a WhatsApp group. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.